Hello everyone. Here we'll just have a brief discussion about Creo drafting. So for that you just need to go with the file new drawing. If I use the use drawing file name, so automatically name will be taken as this Q02. Use default template will help you to take the default template as per the Creo algorithm. So here I'll uncheck that. So according to that you can able to change your standard size as well as the orientation. Yep. So here if you want to deal with the general views, you just need to select the general views from the layout. So from here you can simply double click on the drawing tab and you can select the required view. So I'll select the top view here. So if you want to change the position of it, you need to remember by default log view movement will be active. You need to uncheck this option to move the drawing views according to the requirement. So if you want to change the scaling, double click on the view and change the scale value according to your uh, visibility here. So I'll make it 0.025. This is fine. That is the annotation. If you want you can delete it. Right now I'll keep it here. And now you can directly deal with the section view. If you want the section view, you can go to tools, sorry, not the tools, views, and from there you can select the section view, and here you can create this section view according to the planes. So there are the planes and these are the few options here, hatches as well as the offset through. You can even define the value of the offset there, but right now I'll keep it as default. And these are the right, top and front plane. According to that you can take the section views. So this is fine for me. Don't want any offset distance, so this is the section view. So you can directly switch to the drawing view again, go back to this, and here if you want to place it, go ahead with the general views, click OK, double click on the graphics area, go to sections, just click on add mark and select this. Okay, and now I do need to change the orientation of this as it taken isometric. I'll just make the front view as a reference. Click apply. Okay, and now I will delete this. This is not needed. If you want you can manually add the annotation, or you can even edit that. And now to define the dimensions, to define the display style, here you can go to view display, and from there you can change it to wireframe, as well as the different options are there shaded with the edges and all. But right now I need the hidden default apply. That's fine. So here tangent edges and select the default, no changes there. That's fine for me. And I do need one more isometric view. I'll just add it by using the general view again. The default original select orientation, and as you could see here the same stuff has been selected, but that is the hidden. You can change it from the view display and change it to shaded with edges. Apply. Okay, scale I'll make it to 0.025. Apply. Okay, so this is how you can able to add the views. There are different options. Again, detail view, you can add it to define the dimensions manually. You can select the dimensions. Show model annotations will help you to just automatically grab the dimensions from the modeling what you have used. The same thing for this. I'll simply select the show model annotations and select all the dimensions by just selecting the select all. Okay, now from this one you can delete what and all you don't want and you can keep which and all the dimensions which is primarily needed. So these are not needed actually. I'll simply delete these. Even the angles not needed. Okay. Once this is done, so I don't need these. Again, this there are two dimensions. You can remove one of this. And if you want to manually define the dimensions, you can simply select the dimension from here, the annotation, select the dimension, and hold the control and select the middle cursor button. So according to that, the dimension will be added. Okay. To define the dimensions manually, you just need to select the dimension from here, hold the control, select the two edges, and just press the middle cursor button to just add the dimensions accordingly. So this is how you can manually place the dimensions, and then if you want to add extra dimensions, you can add accordingly. So here if you want to specify the center distance between these two circles, we can do the same by dealing with the dimensions. We're just holding the control and just defining the two circles, and just pressing the middle cursor button will help you to place the dimensions. Okay, that's all about this session. Thank you.